Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is AFIFI GHAZALI
And my name is SYAFIQ bin ZAMRI.
and today our video is about the evaluation
And action for improvement.
in Oshms. Without further ado, let's proceed to our video.
Evaluation. The first element in evaluation is performance monitoring and measurement. It is a procedure to monitor, measure, and record OSH performance on a regular basis. It should be developed, established, and periodically reviewed. Incident investigation. It investigates the origin and underlying causes of work-related injury, ill health, diseases, and incident. Investigation should be carried out by competent person with the participation of workers and their representatives. Next is audit. Audit is conducted to determine the overall performance of the system and its effectiveness in protecting safety and health of the worker and preventing incident. Management review. Management review should be conducted periodically to evaluate the overall strategy of the OSH management system to determine whether it meets planned performance objectives and workplace needs.
Next is the action for improvement. Preventive and corrective action. Preventive actions is the action taken to reduce or eliminate any possible hazard that might occur in the workplace. Corrective actions is the identification and elimination of causes of problem and prevent their occurrence. When the evaluation of OSH management show both action measures for hazards and risks are inadequate, then it should be addressed accordingly. Continual improvement. The first step in continual improvement is analyze continual improvement. Discuss with the management on what they can and continuously improve for the future. Second step is opportunities for improvement. During the discussion, also find any opportunities to improve the system. This can give benefits to the next step. Third step, action plan. Sketch an action plan or step to undergo in order to improve the safety system. Fourth step, communicate plan to relevant person. Discuss the plan with relevant person that also will help in improving the system. And the last step, monitor implementation. Monitor the system implemented at the workplace for future improvement.